Alright. Thomas usually struggles with this matchup because he has a combination of... usually it's a combination of, like, he doesn't know how to get in past the range, and he doesn't deal with crouch canceling that well, and both those things Keith is good at using. Like, he has good little tricks to help him get in, but he doesn't mix them up quite as well as he could to keep his opponent guessing. He also messes up a lot of edge dashes, and he gives up a lot of stocks trying to do those and messing them up, which really sucks. But I mean, like, he totally has what it takes to beat all of our top players. He just has errors. Tried to B-reverse a fireball to stop the missile. Didn't work out. Ooh, black magic, that's one. See right there, he could have punished the grab, but he wasn't fast enough. That or he probably just prefers keeping center stage. Another thing is that a lot of, like, this goes for a lot of players up here, it's not just Thomas, it's a lot of players are not exactly comfortable with just playing the damage game, where if you have a lead, just play defensive and let them come to you. If he started doing that, he could just outmaneuver the hell out of Samus and stop the missiles, however he chooses. That was a weak missile on the left side that he got hit by. God. But right now, since he doesn't have the damage lead, he has to approach, get past the long range of the projectiles. And it's a struggle. Keith being a Samus player, he's perfectly content to just... He's perfectly... see? The flubs. If he wave dashed in, he could have gotten anything he wanted out of that, but... missed it. Yeah, Keith being a Samus player, he's content to just lay back and relax and play the damage game. And... oh, nice trick. But you know, the farther behind you go, the farther behind you fall, the more you have to get the lead back, and the harder it is, the more pressure you feel. Yep, I saw that coming. A lot of players up here don't know how to deal with that kind of pressure. They don't know how to keep a cool head when they need it most. Right there could have been an up smash for pressure. Probably would have been safe if it hit shield. It would have pushed him away. Luigi has that whatever it's called, and he didn't realize that he hadn't touched the ground yet to recharge his down B, so died. What? How did that reach? That was so dumb. That was like a Smash 4 Mario up smash. Oh, power shielding the weak missiles. There we go. There we go. Wave dash in between the hits. Yep. No. I don't think it would have killed. That was a pretty hard... oh, that was bad DI on the forward air. Oh. You should just do something guaranteed. It's not as strong, but do something guaranteed, because it's like, what are they going to do when they're... oh, look at how fast he's moving right now. But like, the past few months with my controller issues, I understand a lot better where people come from when they make like technical errors and stuff. Because not only does it not work when you need it to, but it also makes you start like second guessing yourself. Like you're apprehensive to do anything out of fear it might not work. So it affects a lot more than just the individual moment where you needed something to come out and it doesn't. Oh wow. And that's invincible? So invincible. And again, if it whiffs, pushes him away. Oh, black magic. Wow. Whoa, dear. Well, I'm waiting for a plasma shot. Keith loves it. Keith loves letting it rip. See. It's you play him enough, he's pretty telegraphed about it. But at the same time, with how often he uses it, it communicates, hey, you better watch out for this. So threatens with it extremely well. A lot of times it doesn't work out, but when it does, like that 25 damage or that early stock for no reason, yeah. So I think it's worth it. Why give yourself some tools if you're not going to use them, you know? I wish I could power shield this much. I mean, I try power shielding all the time, but I'm not getting it as much as Thomas is right now. Oh, yeah, this much. Wow. The wave dash F tilt. That's like my favorite thing to do with Luigi in neutral. Okay. Oh. He needs to get like 2 more hits before a random up smash will do it, I think. Oh my god. Could have been a stage fight. If that were me, I would have been worried about a stage fight. Alright. That's also Jadeyes' best stage. So granted, Luigi likes having a lot of room to move around, but at the same time, he's only really mobile horizontally. He's horribly immobile vertically. So I think going to like a squished stage would help with that. Would allow him to like, if he has to approach vertically, then he can do it where his opponents are more at risk of getting hit by something. Because Luigi's aerials are super strong, you know. And also allow him to just threaten more mid-range if the stage is smaller. There's more active hitboxes he can throw out effectively. You know what, Ryan? I don't do this enough. How do I do this? Don't do this. Help. There's no need. There's not. Their names aren't even up. What's this? Keyboard is sick. Okay, that should do it. Yeah. Should do it. Oh wow, Thomas has a lead. See, if I'm in this position, I'm pretty happy because it means I get to lay back and do whatever. I like don't, but I get the privilege to do that if I want. Just needs to make sure he doesn't blow it on something silly, like lose his lead. Oh my god! Pretzel. What are you doing? Yo, invincible up smashes. I just want to see him lame this out pretty hard, because Samus is good at playing lame. She sits back and waits for people to run into her, but when she doesn't get to do that because she doesn't have a lead, suddenly she has to approach, and she's not great at that. Pretzel. Oh, that was good. I always forget how much better the Mario and Luigi's down B in this game are. Wow. His wave dash punishes his out of shield wave dash punishes are so crisp. Wow. I think Pretzel has this in the bag. He just has to keep it cool, relax, not trade with Samus in Zero because she's godlike. It's like, oh no. He just needs to chill. That could have been a down smash instead of that jab after the neutral air. Would have been more damage. See, like the goal at low percents is to just get them, like you gotta scrape at them with safe hitboxes to get them out of the crouch cancel percent. So right now he's pretty safe. He can like go in with a down smash or whatever, and she won't be able to crouch cancel it. Not with James. I believe that Thomas can do this. But then again, that was his counter pick. Let's see what Keith has to bring for his counter pick. Alright, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. This isn't bad for Thomas. It's just a big, long stage. No platforms for Keith to land on if he needs to. Oh, he's got a lead. 5 minutes? Maybe they started at 6. Did they start at... I think they started at 6 minutes instead of 8. Is that wrong? Well... Oh! Let's go, Pretzel. Just keep your lead. Lead is small now. Oh, he lost it. Now it's going to be a struggle to get it back. Fortunately, Samus's forward smash is... Well, no, that's biased. Fortunately for Thomas, the F smash on the ice phase is not very strong. Oh no! Oh, misfire? He needs a misfire right now. He should have known he was too far away. It's like, it's limited, but at least it's, you know, something. Aw, man. He's getting trashed right now. When Samus gets that much damage on you, it's because you reached way... Not only did you reach too far, you reached way too far. And you kept trying even though it wasn't working. He's gonna have to work hard to get this back. He's basically down 2 stocks. Okay, that works. I didn't think that neutral air would kill, because neutral air traditionally is more like a get off me than a kill move. But Luigi's stronger than I know. Misfire coming. Aww. That's rough. He can do this. The deficit on this stock is not as big as it was before. Until he took like that huge like 70 damage combo. Oh, wow, that reached. Aww. That's like the oldest Samus trick in the book is missile charge shot. He is respecting Keith and won't do it because he knows it's a beginner tactic, but you know, you still do him just to keep him honest. Wow, what? That turnaround jab was so funny. He was just like, hey. He was like, poking, hey, what you doing? Oh. Alright, again. The deficit's not that bad. Same stock now. Just has to keep his composure. He has to go in right now. He does not have the luxury to do this right now. Oh, how shit, Luigi shot. Oh, wow! I would never have been able to punish that. It's too far away for me. Oh. I'm curious why Keith never goes for back airs from the edge like that. Like if he's able to hit them, like Samus is if he's able to hit the back air with a strong hit, it's so ridiculous. Aw, damn it. He never wants to do dash attack. This is rough. Jadeyes knows what he's doing. He's just staying back. He's like, I got the lead. I don't have to approach you. I'm gonna do what my character's good at. I earned this. Oh, he was reaching. See that? That's what I call reaching. It's like, you know it's not gonna hit, but you go for it anyway because they. Oh, that was the last place it should have misfired. Or green bullet. Good stuff.